are done on beside you, kind of like this. Various ways to do it. You can do it backwards. It's done on wheel plane. Wall plane was in front of us. I showed you that. So this is beside you. It's one beat. Right? So start by doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 on your side. Practice with your other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? 4 points. When you put it together, these are going to end up going different ways. So one goes out. Ready? So, and then they come up, and then they go back down. This is that motion. You're going from this to this, and then up to this, and you're turning, and then going back around. So make sure when you're doing this that you're getting that spin, because boom, 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 boom is what you're going to be doing to get this move correct. Again, boom, boom. Once again, 2 big circles with your arms, opposite rotation. And to a 3 beat, you know, 2 archers. And once again, back to that opposite rotation. 1 forward and 1 back, 1 up, and back where we started. And again, and up, and back down. Boom, boom, boom. And either way you do it, as long as it's counterclockwise and the correct timing, the move will look the same going in each direction. However, if you decide to change that, it will not be the same.